Hello guys, it's another Monday. This is our tape reading session for the London Open Killzone. I've done a couple of annotations on the chart as we await 10 a.m. GMT. As you can see, I've indicated this area of sell side liquidity. There is this buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, another one here, and this one here that appears to have been filled. Going into that 10 o'clock time and following the model we've been using, we would notice that price has filled this area of internal range liquidity. Therefore, we would expect for price to reach for higher prices. This dashed line here is a consequent encroachment of a 4-hourly bearish rejection block, and this is buy side liquidity above that long wick. That is way back in September last year, right over here. Last week we traded into the rejection block, and that was how the market closed. This morning, going into a new day and a new week, I have outlined those areas on the chart to serve as a guide for us. Now, going into if scenarios, should price reach out and take out this area of buy side liquidity and reach into the consequent encroachment of the rejection block, that would be an area of resistance, because price would have taken out an area of liquidity and then reached into a premium area. In that instance, we would have to turn our attention to look for lower prices into the gaps beneath here. However, if price should continue its trajectory after filling this internal range, our next obvious choice would be to look out for this external range liquidity to be taken. Therefore, when we go down to the 15-minute chart, we would look for a nearby discount area to send us higher up to take out this area of buy side liquidity. So that is my expectation as we wait for the formation of the 10 o'clock candle. Remember that we always have to move with if scenarios, because we don't know what exactly would happen. Therefore, if we have our expectations kept and what we will do based on what we see, we are more likely to have profitable trades. So should price take out this area of buy side liquidity and reach into the premium area here, we should be looking for lower prices. That is, should this happen before we see the opening of the 10 o'clock candlestick that's going to form, that is going to be our outlook. However, should price remain as it is, then we are favoring the move from internal range liquidity to external range, which means we should be on the lookout for higher prices this morning. And as we saw here on the 15-minute chart, we would identify a discount array, an appropriate discount array, and use that for entry. So it's 10 o'clock, and that is the expectation we are going to go by. From internal range to external range, we would look for higher prices by identifying a discount array. There are multiple discount arrays here. We would identify a discount array and then move on to higher prices. Remember, this is a tape reading session. I'm not interested in showing you any live trades, but I've shown you my expectations, and so that this doesn't go too long, I'll see you as we enter the New York Killzone. Until then, cheers.